So I'm out on the Mirador Cuernos hike right now. Going to this guy right here, getting a closer look at these. Having a good time. It's my first day actually hiking in Patagonia. It's a nice day so far. I wanted to do base Torres as well, but we're gonna do that tomorrow. Today we're doing the Mirador Condor and Cuernos. Currently we're doing the Cuernos, so definitely want to mention if you are heading to the park at all, have plans to come to Patagonia, make sure you screenshot all your busing QR codes, your park QR code, your entry park fee, or entry park pass, I should say. I got to the through the park and realized that there's no Wi-Fi, and I thought I had all my screenshots, but I did not. So I had to buy it for $10 an hour at the Pudetto cafeteria. So there are options when you get out here, but you don't want to be stuck out here without your screenshots of your bus QR codes and your park passes, as that can cause some stress. So yeah, just make sure you keep note of that. I know a lot of people were frantically trying to get internet connection when we got to our bus stop so they could show the park passes. So you don't want to be stuck in that situation unless you want to pay for internet, but you might as well just screenshot it early and be done with it. Yeah, so we're doing this hike right now, and just a beautiful day. I just can't get over I'm here in Patagonia right now. This has been a bucket list trip for me, especially after seeing the Himalayas. I knew I had to come to Patagonia and see what it was all about. So we're just getting started though. So I already shed a layer. It's about 50, maybe 55, 60 degrees out right now. But yeah, getting a little warm. This is about an hour long, so we got a cool waterfall coming up here, so that'll be cool. But yeah, this isn't too long of a hike. Once you get to Pudetto, it's about an hour long one way, so 2 hours there and back. For me, this is what I think of when I see Torres del Paine. These horns right here. Getting closer. Still going. Cool thing about this trail is you head directly at your destination point. So you get to see awesome views the whole time. In the middle. Then we can have a break.
Yeah, in the island.
At the island. But yeah, I know Base Torres gets a lot of love here in the Chilean Patagonia side. But man, this hike is unbelievable. Such a great way to start the day. Since I'm in this area, I'm going to do Mirador Condor next. It's not too far down the road on another trail. A lot of people do Mirador Cuernos and Condor at the same day because they're both kind of shorter hikes. So yeah, so you can kind of see over here some of this burnt looking trees. Looks like there was a fire here. I had heard about a fire near this area and that because fires aren't supposed to naturally occur here. Yeah, we got all these burnt trees. And apparently it takes a long time for them to grow back. So kind of interesting. Unique time to go through here apparently to see some of the burn that happened. I'm not sure when that happened, but it's unfortunate to hear about. But makes you wonder what they looked like before. But got to see an avalanche happen about right in this area.
Where was it? Oh, the cloud, yes. You see where, just follow the slope up, and then there's like a cloud in the center of this.
Oh yeah, yeah. Oh wow. Okay, that I saw.
Now I see it, yeah.
Okay, got it. Thanks, Bill.
So I'm heading back to Podeto, right there. That's where the bus dropped us off for the Cuernos and Condor hikes. So yeah, took about 2 hours, a little over 2 hours, because I hung around at the main viewpoint, took a bunch of photos. So yeah, it's been a great day so far. Just super blessed to be able to experience this, and this only being my first day hiking.